As a part of Full Sail Partners' 10-year anniversary, we are highlighting each of our employees in a series called Getting to Know Your Coworker. Today, we are spotlighting Scott Seal. Good afternoon, Scott.
Hey, Sarah, how you doing?
Good. Well, let's first start off with the easy questions. What is your role at the company? How long have you been with Full Sail, and where are you located?
Well, my role at the company is Vice President of Consulting, and I've been with the company a little over 10 years and been involved with Deltec products for going on 35 years. And I'm located here in Southern California in a city called Murrieta, about an hour north of San Diego.
Great. All right. Well, where do you work most frequently when you work from home?
Well, usually I'm sitting right here in my office here. Occasionally on a nice spring day when it's not 105 like today, I might find myself out poolside, but typically right here.
Nice. Well, do you have any pets as in-house colleagues?
Yeah, thanks for asking. I just actually got a brand new 5-year-old French bulldog named Sophie. Got her for 10 days now, and we lost Zoe about 10 months ago. So we just got her and brand new member of the family.
Oh, nice. I didn't know that. That's great.
Yeah.
Well, tell us a little bit, what is your favorite thing about your job?
I would have to say the favorite thing about my job is interacting with the amazing staff that we have across the company on a daily basis, and just every day waking up to think you're going to work on one thing and end up working on 4 or 5 other things, as they pop up, and keeps it interesting all the time.
It's never boring here at Full Sail, is it?
No.
And we do have amazing people to work with, so it makes it much easier. All right, well, let's talk a little bit about yourself. So, related to just overall your job and just you as a person, what would you like to be known or remembered for?
I think I'd like to be remembered for, being calm and pretty reasonable overall on a day-to-day basis, and just having the ability to adapt to every situation as days go by, weeks go by, and we just make sure we're collaborating and just being a very strong team here at Full Sail.
I like that. Well, if you could instantly become an expert at something, what would it be?
I would have to say golf, because it would get me out of the office once in a while. And I would eliminate that whole frustration of having to learn the game and losing a ton of balls all the time. So if I could instantly be an expert, it would be golf.
What do you normally shoot right now?
Definitely no birdies. They stay in the trees because I can't hit them.
So you hit the birdies, you don't make the birdies.
No, rarely. I'm more on the other end of the spectrum. They have to tell me to pick up my ball and move to the next hole.
All right. Well, last question on the job side. What's one piece of advice you wish you had gotten sooner?
I guess sometimes just don't take life so serious every minute of the day, that you gotta look at things, and laugh sometimes and just enjoy the moments. Overall, every day is a good day, and it's just what you make of it.
Yeah. Well, that brings me to a personal question that sort of relates to that. For what in your life do you feel most grateful for?
I would have to say, family. That I have a very tight knit family that we all get along really well. I mean, I got a 26-year-old daughter and a 19-year-old son that still expect to go on vacations with us. So I guess it's they enjoy being with us still, and then just friends and colleagues here at work that just enjoy spending time with people.
That's great. Well, when you are not at work, what are your passions?
Now, I'm not going to say I'm a foodie, but we both, me and my wife both really love to cook and love to barbecue. So you'll tend to find us in the kitchen and in the backyard barbecuing quite often, to the point where we find that we don't go to restaurants because we like our food better, I guess you would say. And when it's summertime, you'll find us hanging by the poolside. And at some point, if I do become that expert in golf, you'll find us on the golf course.
Yeah. Well, for those that haven't seen, you actually have in your fun picture, you look like Grill Master. So one of the things you definitely like to do. So
Yeah, yeah. And at one point in time, used to make a lot of sushi, but haven't made that for a while. So
I'm looking forward to having some sushi that you do. So, all right. Well, last question on the personal side. What's your favorite board game?
favorite board game over the years has probably been chess. Just both
Hmm.
my son and daughter both went to chess masters and learned to play at an early age. So three of us over the years have always played, and my son, I think, has become the master of chess. That I don't think anybody that I know can beat him. So it's fun to occasionally try to beat him.
Yeah, it's a great game
Definitely.
for strategy.
Yep, absolutely. But definitely. There's lots of other board games we'll play, but that's probably my favorite.
Great. All right. Well, we're going to jump into this or that. And so, just off the top of your head, which answer resonates with you the most? Are you a morning person or a night person?
Say a night person.
All right. Sweet or savory?
Say right in the middle. I guess savory.
Right. Coffee, cola, or tea?
Coffee.
Freshly baked cookies or freshly baked bread?
Bread.
All right. Music, hip hop or country?
Country.
All right. Movies, comedy or action?
Action comedies.
All right. Road trip or plane trip?
Plane trip.
Snow or sand?
No.
Ninja or wizard?
Ninja.
Teleportation or flying?
Flying.
Last one, scrambled, fried, or poached eggs?
Fried.
All right. Well, Scott, it was great chatting with you today, and I hope everyone enjoyed getting you to know you a little bit better today.
Thanks, Sarah. Thanks for the time. Enjoyed it.
Great.